My name is Jay Kang. I am the founder of Rescued Woodworks in Waunakee, Wisconsin. I started my business as high-end pet furniture and feeders, but has evolved into pretty much anything that you can make with wood. With X-Carve and Easel from Inventables, I love the challenge of the infinite possibilities of things that you can create. Before I founded Rescued Woodworks, I was in corporate America. It was a ton of travel, and growing a family under those conditions is super tough. We rescued a couple of dogs. I said, you know what, I'm gonna try making a nice raised feeder. When I posted pictures on social media, I was surprised at how many people thought it was a great item. I was like, you know what, I think this may be a viable way to turn a hobby into something profitable, and then everything else is history. The business is growing enough for me to maybe need an employee. The X-Carve is a force multiplier in my opinion. So while I'm working on a project on the table saw perhaps, the X-Carve is continually creating stock for me. I don't have a design background, but the easel was pretty easy to grasp. Click, drag, resize, choose the cut depth. Great. I'm not a CNC guy, but I understood that whole language. Now that I have it, why did I wait so long? It pays for itself every month. Never did I think that I would be pushing so many orders. They seem like long hours, but they don't feel as long as when I'm giving those hours to someone else. That little chance that I took has turned into something that ultimately has provided me with a great quality of life and exactly where I want to be.